Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to finally unbox the freaking RPM album. I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of unboxing already. So I'm just gonna get straight to the photo cards with my dangerous scissors, as always, featuring in every unboxing video. Yeehaw! I also bought posters with it, but she coming later. Ow. Which one should I open first? Well, my hand landed on this one. I hate their after like what 5 albums that they have it like this, I really don't like it anymore. Oh my gosh. They really are shirtless. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful position collector. What does that mean? 0421, RPM 0421, his speed. I'm dumb, I don't know what these numbers mean. Oh my gosh, the era of feet. We love feet. Anyways, where's my photo card? Zero! The man. I got Jaeyoon. Yeehaw. Really, the CD is like this? Really? I hate. Damn, Jaeyoon, what the fuck? Okay. Moving on to the next one. Flowers. Oof, this is different. It's like round in these circles and what the fuck happened? I just opened it and she's already marked right here. She dirty and I got fricka Daewon. Can you see? Daewon. Wait, I'm stupid. The poster was in here. I was like looking for it, like where the hell is it? I was like, I guess I didn't get it. I'll just cry. I can't open it. Jaeyoon. I think it's a sign. Jaeyoon should be my bias. I'm just saying. Let's see the poster for this one, because I'm a whole idiot. She is like stuck in here. It's like they made the cover with the freaking poster. Oh my gosh. That's a cute picture. Oof. Okay. Let's see my photo card. Oof, that fucking crack just... They put it both in here. Look at, she got a tail. I got In Song. And Daewon. So beautiful. Wait. They didn't put the pictures in order. This gradient color on the back is so nice. Ew, I just spit on it. Well, that's it for my unboxing. Bye.